This is a short video about the Federal Aviation Administration's Noise Policy Review. It explains what FAA will do with comments it receives. Black text signifies what is being covered by this video, while gray text signifies what is covered in other videos in the series. This video describes what the FAA will do with your comments. We want you to know that the comment period is open for the Noise Policy Review Federal Register notice. The comment period opened on May 1st, 2023 and has been extended until September 29th, 2023 in response to requests for extension from stakeholders. For instructions on submitting a comment, please refer to the prior video in the Noise Policy Review video series on how to submit a comment. After the close of the comment period, the FAA will review all comments. FAA will consider the comments in formulation of policy. Thank you for watching this video describing what FAA will do with the comments it receives on its noise policy review.